At the George L. Catrambone School, students are encouraged to explore the world of technology and innovation, unlocking new solutions, ideas, and possibilities. Through coding, problem solving, and the power of imagination, they are shaping the world of tomorrow. Every click, every line of code, and every creative idea is a step toward building a future where anything is possible.
Welcome to the George L. Catrambone School. The future isn't something we wait for, it's something we create. Here, our students use curiosity, creativity, and technology to explore new ideas, solve problems, and imagine a better tomorrow.
When we code, we make things come alive. I built a game where a robot races through a maze. I told it exactly what to do.
I love using my Chromebook to learn about the world. One day, I'm exploring outer space, and the next thing I'm building a castle in Google Slides. Sometimes we make mistakes, but that's how we learn. Every try helps us think differently and make our projects even better.
In STEAM class, we work together to build bridges and towers. We test, fix, and try again until our ideas stand tall, just like real engineers.
We use technology to help people, animals, and our planet.
Our ideas today can make the world a kinder, smarter place tomorrow.
At the George L. Catrambone School, every student is an inventor, a creator, and a dreamer. With every click, every idea, and every spark of imagination, they're shaping the future, one discovery at a time.